Alright, good morning guys and welcome back to another video. So right now I'm headed off to the car meet I was telling you about in yesterday's video. So it's 11:30, the meet started about half an hour ago, so I feel like, I don't know how many people are there. I haven't really seen any updates on their Instagram stories at all, but we're going to pick up Mark first and then we're going to head out to the meet. Yes, it should be a fun day, so let's get going. Alright, so me and Dickers just got to the meet now. Pretty solid turnout. I didn't expect there to be this many cars here, dude. SUBIE gang, alright. Now there's where the color is. You got blue, red, blue. Ooh, I like that mint FRS.
I like that car.
Damn, I think it was there after we left though.
Oh, okay. I saw that
Fuck,
car.
that thing is nice. Ooh, an orange Mercedes. Oh shit's going all the way down here. Someone's flying the fuck. Is that one of those like hyperspeed drones?
No.
I don't know, you're the drone enthusiast. You know all the...
Don't know.
Oh.
Oh, of course it's that. Oh, what's that mean?
Oh shit. Oh shit. Got that blow-off valve though. Jeez. Oh, the negative sides of plastic dip. I like that. That's a nice wrap job. Alright, let's see this bad boy.
So I got Cobb, blow-off valve, Terran, AEM, and then I got TGV delete, so I have to do still.
Damn, there you go.
And I'm on team. Oh, the ticket is gone. Look at that, boys. Yeah, because the engine's literally been sitting for so long, and then it got rebuilt.
Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh, I love those the what do you call those? The wing dividers or something?
Yeah, stabilizers.
I know most people usually do like they run the 2, but it looks good with the 3 actually.
Do it. You won't. Do it. Nah, I haven't gotten a video of it yet.
I like that.
There you go. Is that so hard?
This thing's fucking nice. Oh, see, honestly, I kind of want a diffuser like that. Oh shit, dude, it's literally got the same wheels that I do. Except in like a bronzy gold color.
I got it, like, I don't know what you're...
I like this, this is nice. Whoever's car this is, if you end up watching this video, your car's clean, dude. Damn. Ooh. Oh, shit, I thought this was a carbon fiber trunk for a second, but it's,
No. Looks like it.
Oh, it's on bags. Okay. 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 Ooh. Damn.
Oh, it's wide body. Wide body.
That's pretty sick. Yeah, the same Fast FC4 wheels.
Nick Grady and those kids showed up working around that room.
Though this one got the stain tipped exhaust. Oh,
One wheel peel.
I was expecting a lot more from that guy.
This is one.
Oh,
Hey.
Oh fuck.
That's how.
Okay.
That's one everyone gets.
I like that color, that orange. Yeah, I mean, I was surprised how many, like, dude, I literally came here this morning thinking there was gonna be like maybe 20 cars here, and there's like over 100 at least. I swear, yeah, literally same wheels as me, just like a bronze color.
Bronze color wouldn't look bad on your car.
I was thinking bronze, but I already had like the bronze when we did it. We plastic it last.
The bronze would look a little bit better.
No, the only thing is just because I hate it because the plastic faded out like that. Like my plastic faded like badly like that, and I was just like, I don't want to run into plastic troubles again. I know, that's what I'm saying. It's like crazy how like just me and my BRZ, 2 Beamers, 2 Mustangs, this giant ass truck, another Beamer, and all because everyone went down there because of all the dope ass,
Get everyone away.
yeah, all the Audis and shit. Oh, now they're going to sit in a hot ass fucking car.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Wait, do the hippie jump across this?
I don't think it can. I am not.
No. I'm gonna eat shit going. If I tried to do that, I'd have to like.
I can probably go 130.
Alright, so fast forward an hour or so, me and Mark cruising down Main Street. Carmi was pretty chill. There was about like, I don't know, maybe like, about like 100 cars or so, but it was getting hot out there, and I think the cops were coming to shut it down or whatever. They're handing out tickets to people if they weren't paying the parking thing or whatever and stuff, but did you run over your cab? I think they're doing this every weekend, I think, just to reduce the amount of cars that come in here, which I can see why, honestly. So wait, are they doing this every weekend? So much better. Now we can ride her. Oh wait, that right in front of Cal's, that's where I took the dig on my longboard and skipped on my legs. Honestly, not gonna lie, it didn't hurt, it just stung, because it's one of those things where like you start moving your leg and you're like, ow, it hurts. And I don't have to worry about, you know, cars honking us for being on the street.
Oh,
Did you eat? See, dude, I literally did the exact same thing and busted my knee open. They're back again?
Yeah.
What the fuck? I thought they were done protesting this shit. Okay, if you haven't seen these people, if you ever come to Niagara Lake, you see these people protesting. They're protesting the people who like do the horse carriages because they're like, oh, they think they're abusing the animals, which is not true. They don't. They actually take care of the horses. So I don't know, just people are dumb. It's all animal rights bullshit. Oh yeah, and also shout out to the dude I met, who I parked next to when I got to the meet. His name was Hayden. Pretty nice guy. He actually commented. He follows me on Instagram. I think he's actually a subscriber. When you're watching this, dude, it was actually. Shit, it's nice meeting you, dude. I think that's honestly the first subscriber I've met that I haven't known already. It's pretty cool, actually. So. What happened there, Mark? Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. This car's coming. Oh shit. This person's going slow. I better move up, dude. Oh fuck. Now they're stopping. Oh god, that was sketchy. Oh god, that was really close. Oh fuck, I thought that dude was gonna smoke me. Ooh, Lambo? Alright, check this out. Oh, like that's nice. Yeah, I'd probably take the Porsche, Lambo, then this Ferrari. Yeah, it's got a giant ass spoiler on it. That was nice.
Yeah, the ACR.
Alright, so I'm back home from skating with Mark for a little bit, and honestly, dude, I'm Dude, I'm so tired. What is it? It's like, what, 2:30 in the afternoon? Or sorry, no, it's 3 in the afternoon. Dude, I'm sweating, man, dude. It was so hot out there. I think the Humidex, it was 33, but I think the Humidex was reading like it's 33, but like feels like 41 or whatever. Dude, I was sweating up there, and I was like, I really didn't want to get burned. I put on sunscreen, but I didn't put like a lot of it, so like. But anyways, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Oh, dude, I'm so tired. I need to take a nap or some shit. That's gonna do it for this video. Peace out, guys.
Damn, I'm in the matrix. My mind is living on cloud nine, and this 9 is never on vacation. Start up that Maserati and zoom, zoom.